I've already seen in the years that I've been aware of this, that progress that's been happening year on year, it's incredible. People rallying together and sharing their stories and advocating for this is everything. It's how at some point I truly believe that a threshold of awareness and understanding around this issue will be reached. I think whilst it's an awareness day, I think I also see it as an opportunity to just take stock of how much is going on around the world, how many people are fighting our corners from all walks of life to get this issue out there. In a world where so much is happening, so much injustice, so much insanity, and it's hard to know how to talk about this and to know where it fits into the place of everything that's going on. The more I've understood about this issue, the more I've realised how interconnected it all is, and how it's absolutely imperative that these things are talked about. It's that quote, isn't it? A threat to justice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. And I think we're seeing that interconnectedness happen more and more. To everybody that is healing from this issue, I am right there with you. And although we are, so many of us are countries apart, and you know, a lot of this is happening via screens and via digital means, I also know that there is that camaraderie and there is that sense of unity and a certain peace that comes with knowing that so many people understand what you're going through. I cannot imagine having gone through this, having had zero awareness of what it was or that other people were going through it. And without tech and without social media, that would not have been possible. And I find it a horrific thought to consider how many people did have to live with that reality, considering that these medications were prescribed from the 70s, I think, 60s, 70s. So many, an unknown amount of people went through this horror by themselves, probably without even understanding what happened to them, let alone connecting with other people that were going through it, let alone any of the understanding that we have now around the brain injuries that happen as a result of these meds. So that's another thing that I'm extremely grateful for, is the power of unity that can happen via social media. The reality that so many of us are dealing with, where you're not believed by people that have even known you your whole life, and you would like to think know you as a person and know that this is not something that you would inflate or make up or over dramatize or whatever. And obviously we deal with that in a larger sense with the medical system, with society at large. And on that note, I'm so grateful to friends and strangers that I've met who have been so empathetic and so some have been aware of things like this going on and some haven't, but the empathy's still been there, and it's meant so much to feel understood. The injury itself is one thing, but when you're dealing with a severe injury where no one's actually, or not nobody, but where you feel like you're having to fight, not just for survival, but fight to be believed, fight to be heard, fight to be understood, and fight to have enough of society care for change to happen. It's a whole other dimension to it. It's exhausting. And ironically, it puts so much impact on your nervous system, which is the thing that's been injured. So to everybody that has shown any sort of kindness and empathy, it is really significant in this journey. It really helps.